Have you been walking wrong this whole time? You might think walking is just walking. But what if this simple movement could actually be your secret weapon to burning more fat without spending hours at the gym? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a smarter way to walk. It's called the LazyFit Method. It's super simple, backed by science, and it can help you burn up to 65% more calories than normal walking in just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Stick with me, and I'll show you how thousands of people have changed their bodies using this easy, low-effort routine. What most people get wrong about walking. Let's be honest. Most advice about walking doesn't really work for busy people. You've probably heard that you need to walk 10,000 steps a day. Sounds good, right? But that takes about 90 minutes. And who has that kind of time? Turns out, only 15% of people can stick to that routine for more than 2 weeks. Worse? Regular walking burns just 100 to 120 calories per mile. That's less than the calories in one cookie. Yeah, not very motivating. But here's the truth. Walking can be an amazing tool for burning fat, if you do it the right way. Some people see great results from walking, while others don't notice much. The difference isn't walking more, it's walking smarter. That's where the LazyFit method comes in. It turns your normal, kind of boring walks into fat-burning sessions. And it doesn't take more time, just a few simple changes. The science behind LazyFit. Now, don't worry. I'm not going to throw complicated science words at you. But here's the basic idea. The LazyFit method is based on something called the afterburn effect. Scientists call it EPOC, which stands for excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Fancy words, but here's what it means for you. When you add short bursts of effort into your walk, just for a few seconds at a time, your body keeps burning calories even after you're done walking, sometimes for 24 to 48 hours. Normal walking doesn't do that, but LazyFit walking does. Even better? You only need 15 to 20 minutes, 3 times a week. That's less than 1 hour a week. Compare that to 7 hours if you follow the old-school 10,000 steps advice. So, how do you do it? How do you walk in a way that actually burns more fat, takes less time, and doesn't feel like a workout? I'll break it down for you step by step in just a moment. But first, take a second to imagine what you could do with 6 extra hours every week, and a body that feels more energized and looks better too. Ready to learn the steps? The 5 components of the LazyFit Walking Method. All right, now let's get into the good stuff. How do you actually do the LazyFit walk? It's not just walk faster or add weights to your ankles. Nope. This method has 5 simple components that work together to help your body burn fat faster, even after you've stopped moving. Let's break them down one by one. 1. LazyFit form. First up is your form, how you hold and move your body while walking. Forget about slouching or scrolling on your phone. Stand tall. Keep your shoulders relaxed, arms swinging naturally, and your core gently engaged, like you're zipping up a pair of jeans that's just a little too tight. Why does this matter? Because walking with good posture doesn't just look confident, it actually helps activate more muscles in your body. That means more calories burned with every step without doing anything extra. So, chest up, eyes forward, belly lightly pulled in. LazyFit starts with confidence in every step. 2. LazyFit intervals, see? Next, and this is the secret sauce, we use intervals. Here's how it works. Every 2 or 3 minutes of normal walking, you add a 30-second power burst. That could be speed walking, walking uphill, marching in place with high knees, or even dancing a little while you walk. Hey, why not? These quick bursts raise your heart rate just enough to trigger that afterburn effect we talked about earlier. It's like flipping on a fat-burning switch in your body. And then, you go back to normal pace. Simple. 3. LazyFit timing. Now let's talk about when you walk. Most people squeeze in walks whenever they can, and that's totally fine. But if you want to maximize fat burn, there are 2 especially powerful times. Right after you wake up before breakfast. Your body's glycogen stores are low, so it taps into fat for energy more easily. After meals, especially dinner. This helps lower blood sugar levels and keeps fat from being stored. Even if you only pick one of these times a day, it can make a big difference over time. 4. LazyFit music. This one might surprise you, but music matter. Studies show that walking to the right kind of music helps you stay consistent, move more rhythmically, and even boost your mood. The magic number? Around 130 beats per minute. Think upbeat pop songs, light EDM, or even some 80s dance classics. Make a playlist, pop in your earbuds, and let the beat carry your feet. 5. LazyFit mindset. Finally, the most underrated part, your mindset. The LazyFit method isn't just about burning calories. It's about creating a habit you actually enjoy, something that doesn't feel like a chore. So here's your goal. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Even if you only walk for 10 minutes today, that's a win. If you add just one interval, that's progress. The LazyFit lifestyle is about being kind to your body and smart with your time. No guilt, no pressure, just one foot in front of the other. So there you have it. The 5 core parts of LazyFit walking. 1. Better form. 2. Easy intervals. 3. Smart timing. 4. Feel good music. 5. And the mindset that keeps you going. I've shared a lot of valuable information already, but we're just getting to the most powerful parts of the LazyFit method. If you're finding this helpful, take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos on metabolism hacking and effortless weight loss. Trust me, the strategies I'm about to share next have transformed thousands of lives with minimal effort. In the next part, I'll walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, in your first LazyFit walk. It's easier than you think. And honestly, kind of fun. Let's go. Your first LazyFit walk. A 15-minute routine. Okay, ready to actually try it out? Let's walk through your very first LazyFit walk. Don't worry, it's only 15 minutes. But it's surprisingly powerful when you do it right. You don't need a treadmill. You don't need a gym. You don't even need workout clothes. Just you, a pair of comfortable shoes, and maybe some good music. Let's go minute by minute. Minute 0. 2. Warm-up walk. Start at a comfortable pace. Take deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Let your arms swing loosely. No pressure. This is just about getting your body moving. If you've been sitting all day, this is your wake-up walk. Minute 2. 3. Power burst number 1. Okay, time for your first interval. Pick up the pace. Walk faster. If you're indoors, try marching in place or pacing the room with high knees. Just 60 seconds. You've got this. Feel your heart rate rising? That's exactly what we want. Minute 3. 5. Recovery walk. Slow it back down to your normal pace. Let your breathing catch up. Smile a little. You're already 1/3 of the way through. LazyFit is not about pushing. It's about balancing. Minute 5. 6. Power burst number 2. Here comes another 60-second push. This time, add some style. Maybe throw on a song that makes you want to move. Swing your arms with energy. Add a little bounce to your step. Minute 6. 8. Recovery walk. Breathe easy. Notice how your body's warming up. Muscles are awake. Blood is flowing. You're doing more than you think, without a single crunch or squat. Minute 8. 9. Power burst number 3. Final round. Give it a little extra if you can. Walk fast. March in place. Dance walk. Anything that raises your heart rate just a little. This is the LazyFit sweat moment. Short, sweet, effective. In minute 9. 12. Cool down walk. Now let's bring it down. Keep moving, but let your pace relax. Start taking deeper, slower breaths. Your body is entering burn mode, where it keeps burning calories you eat while cooling down. Yep, that's the LazyFit magic. Minute 12. 15. Mindful finish. As you finish, take these last few minutes to just enjoy the moment. Feel proud. You showed up. You moved. You made time for your health without forcing yourself into pain or boredom. And hey, that's what LazyFit is all about. You can do this 3 times a week, or every day. You can extend it to 20 or 30 minutes if you want, or stay with 15, because when it feels good, you'll come back to it. So, That's it. Your first LazyFit walk. Simple, fun, fat burning, no sweat puddles or dramatic workouts needed. In the next, I'll show you how to turn this 15-minute walk into a powerful daily habit, even if you're too busy or too tired most of the time. LazyFit is just getting started. Building a LazyFit habit. Stay consistent without trying too hard. So, you've done your first LazyFit walk. You felt good. You didn't hate it. You might even be thinking, hey, I could actually do this. But here's the real secret to success. It's not about doing a perfect workout once. It's about showing up again and again, almost without thinking about it. Let's talk about how to turn this into a daily habit without needing crazy willpower. Step 1. Make it stupid easy to start. Want to walk more often? Don't make it a whole production. You don't need to change into special clothes, stretch for 10 minutes, or even leave your house. Just set one rule. When X happens, I walk for 5 minutes. For example, after brushing your teeth, 5-minute walk. After lunch, walk around the room. When a Netflix episode ends, walk during the credits. That's it. That's the trigger. That's how habits stick. And step 2. Never wait for motivation. Here's the truth. Motivation is lazy. It shows up when it wants, disappears when you need it most. So don't rely on it. Instead, rely on systems. Leave your walking shoes by the door. Set a recurring phone reminder with a fun message like, "Time to lazy walk." Pair your walk with something you enjoy. Your favorite podcast, music, or even scrolling TikTok while pacing. Yes, you can absolutely scroll and stroll. Step 3. Track it like a game, but make it lazy. You don't need a fancy fitness app. Grab a calendar. Every day you do a LazyFit walk, draw a big check mark or a fun emoji. After a week, you'll see a streak. That's motivation you can see. Want something even easier? Use a sticky note on your mirror. Each walk, add a tally. Let it grow. Let it become part of your life. Yet, step 4. Celebrate tiny wins. Walked 5 minutes today? That's a win. Did it 2 days in a row? Massive win. Did it even when you didn't feel like it? Superstar. LazyFit is not about punishing yourself. It's about celebrating yourself. You're building a healthy habit, step by step. That's huge. And step 5. Forgive and continue. Missed a day? Who cares? LazyFit is anti-guilt. This is real life. People get tired. Things get busy. The trick is, never miss twice. 1 skip is human, 2 skips, and it becomes a pattern. So just restart. Same 5-minute walk, same good feeling, no drama, no guilt. So here's the deal. You don't need to be disciplined. You don't need to grind. You just need to make it easy, make it fun, and make it yours. This is LazyFit, fitness for real people with real lives. In the next part, we'll look at LazyFit upgrades, how to burn more fat without doing more work. Yes, it's possible. LazyFit upgrades, burn more fat without doing more work. All right, so you're walking. You're building the habit, and now you're asking, how do I burn even more calories without doing more work? Good question. And yes, it's totally possible. LazyFit is all about working smarter, not harder. Let's talk about a few upgrades that turn your chill walks into fat-burning gold. Upgrade 1. Walk after you eat. This is one of the laziest yet most powerful tricks. After a meal, especially lunch or dinner, go for a short walk. Even 2 to 10 minutes makes a huge difference. Why? Because it helps control blood sugar, boost digestion, and yes, burn more fat. Instead of sitting and scrolling, just walk and scroll. Same phone, same TikTok, different metabolism. Hold a filled water bottle while walking around your living room. It's subtle, adds a little resistance, and keeps things joint safe. These small tweaks help activate more muscles, boost calorie burn, and keep your routine 100% couch-friendly. No pressure, no pain, still lazy. Upgrade 2. Make it just a bit harder, without hurting yourself. Want to burn more calories without doing more work? Skip the ankle and wrist weights. They can strain your joints if you're not careful. Instead, try this LazyFit friendly upgrade. Use resistance bands around your thighs, not your knees or ankles. They're soft, light, and much safer. You can wear them during squats, leg lifts, or even just while doing chores around the house. Or, Upgrade 3. Change how you walk without looking weird. You don't need to power walk like a robot. Just try this. Every few minutes, add a little bounce, swing your arms a bit more, or take a few steps faster. That's called movement variation, and your body loves it. It wakes up more muscles, uses more energy, and keeps your brain from getting bored. Plus, you still look chill, still lazy fit. Upgrade 4. Try the 3-minute fat burn hack. You don't need to do long workouts, just micro spikes of effort. Here's the trick. Every 10 minutes of your walk, do 30 seconds of fast steps, or go up and down the stairs for 1 minute, or do 10 squats during a bathroom break. It's quick, it's casual, but your metabolism, it gets a little boost every time. Think of it as adding spice to your movement soup. Upgrade 5. Turn waiting time into burning time. Waiting for the microwave? On hold with customer service? Watching your kid brush their teeth for the 400th time? That's LazyFit time. March in place, do shoulder rolls, stretch your arms, tap your feet. None of this is exercise in the traditional sense, but it all adds up. You burn more, you feel better, you don't waste a second. Remember, you don't need to move more, you just need to move smarter. LazyFit isn't about pushing harder. It's about hacking your routine so your body works for you in the background. LazyFit isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing just enough of the right things so your body does the rest. So the next time someone says, "Fitness takes discipline," you can smile and say, "Nah, it just takes a system that works while I rest." Like this LazyFit guide? Leave a comment. I'm Team Lazy but Fit. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video we'll show you Eat like a LazyFit pro, meals that burn fat while you chill.